Sunyata, The Nature of Emptiness in Buddhism, by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. Emptiness, or Sunyata, in Buddhist philosophy fundamentally challenges conventional notions of inherent existence. It posits that all phenomena lack an independent, permanent essence and are instead contingent upon a web of interdependent causes and conditions. This insight dismantles the idea of fixed identities and underscores the fluidity and relational nature of reality. Emptiness is not synonymous with nihilism. Rather, it reveals the absence of intrinsic selfhood while affirming the dependent origination, pratītyasamutpāda, that governs existence. By recognizing emptiness, practitioners develop a profound understanding that objects and beings do not exist in isolation, but are transient assemblages shaped by myriad factors. The Madhyamaka school, founded by Nagarjuna, articulates this doctrine with rigorous logical analysis to demonstrate that any attempt to assert an essence leads to contradictions. Emptiness thus becomes a middle way between eternalism and nihilism, offering a path beyond metaphysical extremes. Moreover, the experiential realization of emptiness is central to Buddhist soteriology. It facilitates the dissolution of attachment and aversion rooted in mistaken perceptions of permanence. Consequently, understanding emptiness transforms one's engagement with the world by fostering compassion grounded in the recognition of interconnectedness. In summary, emptiness serves as both a philosophical principle elucidating the nature of reality and a practical tool guiding liberation from suffering within Buddhist thought.